What's up, guys? I'm here today with a message for all my artists out there. The next time someone comes up to you and tries to get you to work for free, you remind them your years of training to get to this level, your years of schooling if you went to school to get to this level, the supplies you bought to hone your skills, the late nights you've been up alone in the zone working and perfecting and trying to grow as a creative. I don't care if it's your mother, your family, your cousin, your brother, doesn't matter. You're not gonna give them a sample and then they're gonna decide if they work with you. Before you even try to jot down any samples, before you even brainstorm on their idea, you hit me off with something. If you don't have the nerve to let them know, you show them this video. Remember, art ain't free.